Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to combine these two photos like this to become this one. And this can be maybe suitable for you if you would like to, let's say, selling this sofa product, and by that selling you also sell the story of it from this woman. Maybe this is the mother and waiting for this kid to go home after cycling, and this will be the story that we can use over here. Is kind of the togetherness of the family. So how to create this one or how to combine this photo into this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is Nano Banana, and don't worry because this tool is 100% for free. However, you just need to do the login first with your Google Mail or your email account, and after that you will have the chance to get the access of this Google AI Studio. And after that you can also click this Try Nano Banana. And after that you can start to upload the picture of yours. For example, I will choose this one and add one more picture again. And after that I will put the prompt into this section. The prompt gonna be like this: change these two kids who are cycling together to be sitting on the sofa together in the living room, as if that those kids just got home and they are sitting and hugging together there. The girl is hugging the woman from the left and the boy is hugging the woman from the right. And the woman is hugging them with her arms together, and her expression, which is this woman, is tranquil, as if that she is thankful that they are home safe now. And also the woman is giving a kiss, for example, on the girl's forehead. So you can start to click run and kindly wait for the result. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to combine these two photos to become this one. However, to try and having this look, you can also rerun this turn and try over and over again until you find the suitable and you can find the picture that you like. For example, this one. And I guess this is way better than the picture that I got before. The expression of this woman is quite real intense or very real, like this. And by combining this photo you can also create it, let's say, for your advertising, not only selling the product but also selling the story for it. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.